Aryan, you look lost in thought. What's the matter?
Shakespeare was right when he said, to buy or not to buy is the greatest question posed by man.
Whoa, isn't it a bit too late to quote Shakespeare? And FYI, it's to be or not to be.
What?
Forget it. What's troubling you?
I'm not really sure whether to invest in stocks or mutual funds.
That's a common question that many investors ask. But what makes you think that you should buy only stocks or mutual funds?
You mean I can invest in both these avenues?
Of course, every good investor has a healthy mix of stocks and mutual funds to balance out his or her portfolio.
What do you mean by balance out?
Investing in various investment avenues to minimize overall portfolio losses. By now you're aware of the fact that investing in any financial product carries some amount of risk, right?
Yes.
But the degree of risk varies between different options. For instance, stocks offer the best returns, but the risks associated are also high.
Okay, but what about mutual funds?
Patience, my friend. I'm coming to that. On one hand, mutual funds offer good returns to the investor. On the other hand, they're a low-risk investment proposition.
So, is this like a win-win situation?
Sure, you can think of it that way, but bear in mind that all mutual funds are not the same. You have equity funds, tax-saving funds, balanced funds, advantage funds, and so on. Each fund is designed to serve a specific investment goal. It's important to assess your risk appetite and financial capability before you decide to invest in any of these funds.
But where do I get all the required data?
The internet, of course. You can find most information regarding mutual funds online. Stuff like fund rating, past performance, fund manager profile, portfolio composition. You have all the relevant information right at your fingertips.
Thank you for clearing up the issue, Sid. Based on what you have said, I think it is best for me to stick to mutual funds until I gain some experience.
That's a smart move, Aryan. Stocks can be a bit overwhelming for a novice investor. In comparison, mutual funds have the benefit of professional experts whose primary job is to increase your fund's returns. By investing in mutual funds, you can have a good night's sleep without worrying constantly about your investments.
Alright, thank you for sharing your thoughts. By the way, it's high time you went home for a good night's sleep yourself.